Grease and burnt-on residue in your oven will disappear faster than you think. No expensive chemicals or scraping needed. When your oven is in terrible condition and you don't know where to start, try this simple method. Prepare some baking soda. It neutralizes odors, dissolves grease, and helps lift burnt-on grime. Sprinkle it evenly over the entire glass surface to create a cleaning layer. Next, take dish soap and gently drizzle it over the baking soda. Dish soap cuts through grease and breaks down built-up residue. When everything is ready, add vinegar and pour it over the mixture. Vinegar's descaling and antibacterial properties cause it to foam intensely when combined with baking soda. Watch how the chemical reaction lifts dirt and loosens it from the surface. The mixture gets to work, dissolving even old, stubborn burns. Finally, sprinkle salt over the whole surface. Salt acts like a natural scrub, increasing friction and helping clean stubborn spots. Using a brush, scrub the oven in circular motions. When finished, wipe the surface with a paper towel. The results are visible immediately. Your oven will shine like new. The drawer under the oven has a hidden function. You'll be shocked to learn what it's for. It's not designed for storing pans and sheets at all. This unassuming part of the kitchen comes in handy while cooking. When we take a dish out of the oven and don't want it to cool down quickly, all you have to do is open the drawer under the stove and put it in there. It's also useful for storing leftovers or portions for late arriving guests. The oven, working above it, effectively warms it up. As a result, the dish will stay warm for a longer time. Were you aware of this drawer function? Do you have one in your kitchen? Instead of throwing the peels in the trash, I toss them into a dirty oven. I spread them out, turn on the heat, and wait for the result. Next time you bake an apple pie, try it yourself. Apple peels, just like the whole fruit, contain malic acid, known for its antibacterial, antifungal, and mildly whitening properties. It is a completely natural substance that effectively removes greasy stains from the inside of the oven. To use its benefits, simply spread fresh apple peels on a baking tray and place it in an oven heated to about 300 degrees Fahrenheit. For an even better result, squeeze the juice from half a lemon. Add about 10 ounces of water and 10 ounces of vinegar. Mix these 3 ingredients. Finally, pour into a spray bottle and mist the oven. After half an hour, remove the dried peels, wait until the oven has completely cooled down, and then wipe its interior with a damp cloth. It is important to use fresh peels, so you can clean the oven right after baking an apple dessert. Just toss the peels onto the tray after taking the cake out and wait a moment. The acid from the apples will do the work. Did you know those numbers inside your oven actually have a hidden meaning? Most people see them or don't even notice them, but hardly anyone really knows what they stand for. On both sides of the oven, next to the tray rails, there are numbers. And that's not a coincidence. Level 1 is perfect for pizza and baguettes. The heat is stronger from the bottom there, so the base turns crispy and everything bakes quickly. Level 2 works great for meat and fish. At this height, food stays tender inside without burning on the outside. Level 3 is the best choice for cakes. The temperature is most stable there, so the batter rises evenly. Level 4 is ideal for roasted vegetables. It helps you get a lightly browned, crispy top. Level 5 is great for dishes that you want extra golden and ready in just a moment. Just place them there briefly for a restaurant-style finish. These numbers are basically a guide to where you should place your tray so your food bakes evenly and turns out perfect every time. A simple tip that makes baking so much easier. Now you know what the numbers in your oven mean. Line your oven with plastic bags and get rid of burnt-on grime without scrubbing or effort. This simple method really works and doesn't require strength or any special tools. Just spray the inside of your oven with oven cleaner. Cover every surface thoroughly. Then take a few plastic bags and press them onto the sprayed surfaces, the bottom, sides, top, and door. The layer of plastic helps lock in moisture and acts as a barrier that boosts the cleaner's effectiveness. That's key because it prevents the product from drying too quickly, giving it time to dissolve the grease and burnt residue. Leave it for a few hours, or overnight for tougher messes. When you peel off the plastic, wipe everything down with a cloth. The dirt comes off easily, No scraping or scrubbing needed. Just dry it with a clean towel, and you're done. It shines like new, and the whole process takes just a few minutes. No stress, no effort. You'll never go back to the old way. Put a bag over your oven and forget about scrubbing. A dirty glass door looks unpleasant, and heavy scrubbing can scratch it. This is a simple home method for a clean oven that dissolves grime on its own. Open the oven and prepare a regular trash bag. Place the bag over the glass and gently slide it down. Sprinkle baking soda on the oven glass. It dissolves grease, softens burnt residue, and works as a mild abrasive. Then pour vinegar over it. Vinegar cuts through grease, removes buildup, and has antibacterial properties. When combined with baking soda, it fizzes intensely, loosening even stubborn dirt. After a moment, gently wipe the surface with a sponge. Then apply a layer of toothpaste to the glass and rub it in thoroughly with a sponge. Cover everything with 2 pieces of aluminum foil, then put the bag back on so everything is sealed tightly. The bag creates an occlusion effect. It traps moisture and cleaning vapors against the surface, helping grime soften faster and dissolve more easily. Move on to the inside of the oven. Sprinkle baking soda over the surface and pour vinegar on top. This is an effective way to tackle oven grease, which quickly starts to break down. Wait a moment, then wipe everything away with a sponge. After that, remove the bag and foil from the glass. Wipe the surface clean with a sponge to remove any residue. Finally, polish with a microfiber cloth. This is an effective way to clean your oven without scrubbing. Your oven will be perfectly clean. No force needed. Behind the oven door, there is a hidden button that makes cleaning easier. Most people are unaware of it. Just pull it upwards to release the lock. Repeat the process on the other side. With the doors prepared in this way, they will be easy to remove. Next, grab them and lift them slightly. The hinges should come out on their own. There is a protective plastic on the oven door. Use a screwdriver to pry it open and then remove it. This way, you'll be able to disassemble and clean the glass. Not everyone knows that you can also remove the rack and glass when cleaning. Just pull them towards you with a firm motion. This way, you can thoroughly clean the oven walls. If you don't like scrubbing off burnt grease and food residues, use baking soda. It has excellent cleaning properties and is safe for health. Sprinkle it evenly over the doors and inside the oven using a sieve. A thick layer should cover the entire surface. Then, take a paper towel. Spread it in the areas covered with baking soda. Pour a cup of vinegar into a spray bottle. Screw it tightly. Spray the towels generously with it. They should absorb the mixture well. Both substances will react under the towels and start removing burnt food. Leave it all for 15 minutes. After that time, simply remove the towels and wipe the oven with them. All the dirt will stick to their surface, and you won't have to scrub. It can even handle tough stains.